Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use OP Autoclicker. All right, so let's begin with the video. To use OP Autoclicker on your PC, start by opening your web browser and searching for OP Autoclicker. From the search results, visit the official website. Once on the website, download the Windows version of the software. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to launch the application on your computer. After opening the program, you'll see several settings you can customize. First, choose which mouse button you want the autoclicker to use, left, right, or middle click. Then, select the click type, such as single or double click. You can also decide how many times the clicks should repeat. You can set a specific number or choose continuous clicking until you stop it manually. Next, set the click interval, which determines how fast the clicks will happen. You can adjust this in milliseconds, seconds, minutes, or hours, depending on your needs. For example, 100 milliseconds means very fast clicking. Then, choose the clicking location. You can either use your current cursor position or select a specific point on the screen using the Pick Location option. Once everything is set up, you can start the autoclicker by clicking the Start button or pressing the default hotkey, which is usually F6. Press the same key again to stop it. If you prefer a different shortcut, you can change the hotkey in the settings. The tool also includes a record and playback feature if you want to automate more complex clicking actions. You can now use OP Autoclicker to automate repetitive clicking tasks easily. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use OP Autoclicker. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.